This world out here.
Hi guys, David here from the Property Centre, and I'm here to present to you this 2-bedroom terraced home in the town centre of Taunton. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
This world out here is lonely and cold. Oh, I guess I'll go back home.
So there we are guys, that was the 2-bedroom terrace home in Taunton. If you do like the look of the property and would like to arrange a viewing, alternatively if you have your own property you'd like a valuation on, please don't hesitate to contact us at the office.